If you don't know how to generate this video with AI, just pause. You're in the right channel. I'm going to take you through how to generate this video very fast. So first, I saw a sample of this. I had to take the video to Gemini. I asked Gemini to give me the prompts that will help me generate this video. And Gemini gave me the prompt. So this is the prompt. The prompt is a high quality. See all everything on the screen. That is a prompt. And I asked Gemini to help me turn that prompt into a video. Now I have to see the response Gemini gave me first. I have to see the response. So apparently Gemini cannot do it unless I have to upgrade. And what I'm about to show you is how you can generate this video without paying a dime. Paying a dime. So for Gemini, I have to upgrade my subscription for me to be able to generate this. So no problem, no wahala, no problem, no kosi wahala. We're going to generate it, but not with Gemini because I'm not using the paid version. So quickly, I had to go to Grok to do that. So here is the interesting part about generating this with Grok. It takes a little bit technicality, like you've got to be smart, but Grok came through, but not exactly because Grok cannot generate the video. As in, you cannot just go and generate the video. You have to first of all go through one or two routes before Grok can generate the video for you. So this is the prompt I copied that prompt from Gemini. I gave it to Grok to give me the video. Apparently, Grok cannot do that for me. So this is the feedback I got from Grok. It gave me recommendations of where I should go, what I should do. But we don't need all that history. We just need to know how to do that, how to generate the video. So fast forward to all the outputs Grok gave me when I asked it to just give me the video with that prompt I got from Gemini. So pay attention. It didn't give me that video with the prompt I got from Gemini, but it still gave it to me when I went through another route. When I didn't get what I wanted from Grok, I didn't get the output, the video output I wanted from it. I had to rephrase, I had to paraphrase the prompt I got from Gemini. So I had to remove some things. I asked it not to make it a video, just to give me a picture or an image, basically. Give me an image with the descriptions from that Gemini output or Gemini prompt. So I just told it make it an image. So this is the prompt is here. I might still post it on the description, in the description rather. So when I asked it to make it an image, voila, finally I got what I wanted from Grok. And from there we proceeded. And in a typical Grok manner, Grok gave me two variants of the image I wanted for me to choose. It always give you option A, option B. So this is the first one. It looks good. They both look good actually, but I had to go with the second one because I preferred that. That was my preference. But then yours might be different outputs. So after the image was generated, we now proceeded to making the video. If you've used Grok before, you know that Grok automatically generates video from the images it gives you. Once it gives you an image, it generates video for you automatically. So you have to input the prompt you want for the image, as in for the image to have. So here is where it gets a little bit trickier. Not really, don't mind me, I'm just kidding. So basically I had to go back and recopy that Gemini prompt I got. That initial one. I pasted it back on the image Grok generated for me.
Try to keep up,
but then it didn't really give me the video I wanted. It gave me a video, but it was not what I wanted. So I had to reprompt it.
Try to keep up.
When I mean reprompt it, I basically had to just tell it this is the script I want. So aside the prompt from Gemini, I had to input a script. So I had my script ready, what I wanted it to say or what I wanted the puppies to say. So basically I had more than one script. Like I had to generate different videos. And one thing you should know if you've used AI before, the first generation might not really give you exactly what you want. So that is where the human touch comes in. You have to now reprompt it until you get exactly what you want. So it's just basically that. If after the first prompt you don't get exactly what you want, just reprompt it. AI is still developing. And that is it. That is how you generate videos with AI. That's for the free version. As of today, it's still free.
Try to keep up, Slowpoke.
You can just
I'm right
use
behind
Gemini,
you.
like I've said. I went to
This is
Gemini.
living.
I took the sample of the video I wanted. I went to Gemini, asked Gemini to give me the prompts that will work for this. Not exactly. I told you to create something similar to it. Don't just replicate someone's design or someone's video. Add a touch of yours. So it gave me the prompts I wanted in Gemini. I took that prompt to Grok and tweaked it a little bit to tweaked it a little bit to suit image creation on Grok, because in Grok you have to create image first before the video. So I had to tweak it to suit image generation. Hope that is clear. And after the image generation on Grok, and I reprompted it to give me a video. In fact, it gave me several videos. So I'll leave it to see the several videos basically. And that is it. Just ensure you give it your script when you're generating the video. And remember, Grok does 6 to 10 seconds video. So your script has to be very brief. Don't give it something that will make it generate a gibberish audio. So just give it something snappy, something punchy, just straight to the point. 6 to 10 seconds, basically.
Hey everyone, subscribe to Graceland Tech on YouTube.
Yeah, don't miss out.
Hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, subscribe to Graceland Tech on YouTube.
Yeah, don't miss out.
Hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, subscribe to Graceland Tech on YouTube.
Yeah, don't miss out.
Hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, subscribe to Graceland Tech on YouTube.
Yeah, don't miss out.
Hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, subscribe to Graceland Tech on YouTube.
Here I am reprompting it again because it didn't give me the output I wanted. Like I said, you can just keep on restructuring your prompts, rephrasing your prompts until you get exactly or something 99% close to what you want your video to look like. You get that is you just work with AI. Keep on giving it the prompt you want it to generate for you.
Subscribe to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube. Subscribe to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube. Subscribe.
As you can see, it kept on giving me something similar to what I wanted, and I kept on reprompting it.
Subscribe to Graceland Tech on YouTube.
Mark, let's inform people to subscribe to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube. Mark, let's inform people to subscribe to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube. Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe. Yeah, AY, clock it. Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe. Yeah, AY, clock it.
And this final prompt was where I got what I wanted.
Mark, let's rush to
So
Graceland
this
Tech
final
channel on
prompt.
YouTube and
So you
quickly
can see
subscribe.
it takes
Yeah,
a while.
AY,
Just
clock it.
exercise patience.
Mark, let's
and
rush
it
to
will give you
Graceland Tech
what you
channel on
want.
YouTube and quickly subscribe. Yeah, AY, clock it. Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe. Yeah, AY, clock it. Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe. Yeah, AY, clock it.
It's pretty easy, right? Pretty simple. So just try and generate yours and share the video link in the comment section or tag me if you want.
Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe.
Yeah, AY, clock it.
Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe.
Yeah, AY, clock it.
Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe.
Yeah, AY, clock it.
Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe.
Yeah, AY, clock it.
Once you're done, just click on the download and download your video into your gallery.
Mark, let's rush to Graceland Tech channel on YouTube and quickly subscribe.
Yeah, AY, clock it.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my social media handles.